Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. In today's video we are going to be taking a look at the built-in Windows 10 storage viewer. To do this, all you need to do is right click down in the bottom left hand corner of your screen and go to settings, and you now need to go to system. You now need to click on storage, and this will now display all the hard drives that are on your machine. If we go ahead and click on our C drive, it will now load up all the locations on your hard drive which are taking up the most storage space. For example here, my apps and games are using 36.9 gig of my hard drive. If I go ahead and click on that, it will now display all the apps and games on my C drive that are taking up lots of space. For example here, I have my Dolphin emulator. If I uninstall that, I will free up 20 meg. And if I was to uninstall Action Screen Recorder, that would be another 187 meg. And you can basically just go through, uninstall programs that you don't use, and you will free up lots of space. You will be surprised how quickly you can free up space uninstalling software and games. If we now go back again, you can then go down to Other. And this will now display all the folders on your C drive which are taking up the most space. For example, at the top here, we have my VirtualBox folder, and that is using 30.5 gig of space on my hard drive. If you click on the folder, it will open it up in Windows Explorer, and then you can go ahead and delete the folders or do whatever you want with them. If we now go back again, and then click on to temporary files, you can then remove all the temporary files on your computer which you don't use. Basically, this is stuff that programs, web browser, anything just leaves on your computer, and it can basically be removed. There's absolutely no problem doing this. All you need to do is tick the checkbox, and if you've got any files in your recycle bin, you can tick that checkbox as well, and your downloads folder. You can then go remove files. Just remember that removing anything in your downloads folder, if you downloaded anything lately, it will remove those files. If we now go back again, if we now go to, for example here, maps, we can then go on to manage maps, and I could delete the England map, which would free up another 347 meg on my machine. And it really is as easy as that. And once you've gone through your C drive, you can go back and select your next hard drive. I hope this video helped. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.